Picture this, 1932, Australia. The nation declares war. On birds. No, I'm not kidding. This is the story of the Great Emu War. After World War I, thousands of ex-soldiers became farmers in Western Australia, but they faced an unexpected enemy. 20,000 emus, all hungry for their crops. The farmers were desperate, so they called in the military. Soldiers armed with machine guns arrived, ready for an easy victory. But the emus had other plans. These giant feathered commandos were incredibly fast and surprisingly clever. They'd scatter in all directions, making them impossible targets. The army fired thousands of rounds but barely made a dent. After a few humiliating weeks, the military officially withdrew. That's right. In the Great War between man and bird, the birds won. It's one of history's most bizarre and hilarious footnotes. If you enjoyed this crazy story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.